I'm Todd Hudgel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Powered by twin Mercury 225 4-stroke V6s, this is a great performing boat and has under 200 hours. This boat has all the options that you want for fishing and for cruising. Windlass for easy anchoring, Rodan trolling motor to hold you on your fishing spot, comfortable seating, and lots of storage. This boat is loaded with the features that you want. Fresh and raw water wash down, 12-inch Garmin display, digital Mercury display, digital controls, tilt steering wheel, trim tabs, fusion stereo. This boat is very well equipped. At the stern we have this great folding seat. Stows and deploys very easily. Large live well, huge in-floor fish boxes. This boat is ready to fish or cruise. Give us a call at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Make arrangements to come see this great boat.